Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin with essentials you can do right now. Confirm the keyboard is physically connected, or if wireless, that batteries are charged and paired. Once done, restart the computer and test keys in a plain text field to isolate software issues. Next, remove keycaps carefully and clear debris with compressed air. This fixes many stuck or unresponsive keys by removing dirt that blocks contacts. Make sure to work on a flat surface and keep removed caps organized so reassembly is fast. Now focus on the system side. Verify your input language and keyboard layout so key mapping isn't the problem. Next, open Device Manager to update, disable, or roll back the keyboard driver. Sometimes a fresh driver or uninstall with reboot resolves conflicts. Also consider recent software installs, uninstall apps that hook keyboard inputs. To determine if this is hardware, test the keyboard in BIOS or on another computer. If keys fail there, you're looking at a physical fault rather than an operating system. Finish by addressing hardware repairs. Power down, open the keyboard or laptop access panel, and reseat the ribbon cable or USB connector. Loose contacts cause intermittent key failures. If individual switches are bad and your keyboard supports hot swapping, replace them. Otherwise, plan to replace the keyboard. Once reassembled, verify full key function. If problems persist, make notes of which keys fail and when. This helps technicians. One key troubleshooting tip: try a full firmware reset or system restore before purchasing replacement parts, because sometimes firmware corruptions mimic hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.